Hi, welcome to another C3 Stingray video. I decided to make a quick video on putting coil springs in a C3 Corvette because I couldn't find any videos that really showed you a good way of doing it. And it is a pain, it's kind of dangerous, so be careful. This has to sit up in here, as you can see the angle, that isn't going to close. And it's very difficult. You have to compress this. You have to compress it some. I could have swore I've done it before without compressing it, but I don't remember how I did it because it's not going to happen. So the best way is to get one of these compressors. And I rented this at O'Reilly's. When I say I rented it, you put a deposit down, you take it back, you get your money back. So basically you're just borrowing it for free. I think AutoZone does the same thing. But you want the compressor with this design. You don't want the two separate ones because it just won't work. And you don't even need this thing because you're not going to compress it in that fashion. What you want to do is run this bolt through where the shaft goes through. It'll come out here. And you want to get this started. Then the big problem here is this spring has to sit. There's a little notch down here where this end is supposed to sit in that notch. So it's probably the hardest part, getting that lined up so you don't have to try to move it after the fact because it ain't gonna move. So it's holding. Try to get these on each end. Instead of going this way, I try to get it to go this way because it seems to pull it in a little better. And like I said, you want to try to get this lined up as best as you can so it'll just set in there once it gets in there. Alright, that looks pretty good. Now we just want to ratchet it up. We got to compress this down enough to get this on here, but well, I'll get to that point in a minute. You can't ever get it where it's exactly right, but I'll show you what to do after that. Take the floor jack and put it under here. Where it's just touching. And see how much farther that's going to be pulled in to set in that spot. Alright, we got this in position. This is what I do that I think is different than other people. A lot of people say you can kick this into spot. I've seen guys do it where they just take the heel of their foot and kick this in. I've never been real comfortable with doing that because you're standing here. If the thing happens to break loose, trust me, you're going to get hurt. So what I do is I go under the car with a ratchet strap, put it on the bottom of this coil spring and pull it that way. If something happens and it pops loose, you're underneath. It's not going to hit you. It's going to go this way and hit something if it happens to pop off. Hopefully it won't happen. I've never had it happen, but there's always that possibility. Alright, get your ratchet strap. Let me get down the spring if you can. Run across. Why does it hook it? A little better angle at the strap. As you see, I'm going through. It's going through, hooking to the bottom of the spring, and I'm just coming up and hooking it around there. See where we're at. As you can see now, I'm able to jack this up the rest of the way. It's sitting actually perfect in there. The strap's holding the spring in that direction. It makes you line this up so much easier. You jack this up. Right now I have the jack under here, I have the strap holding it, and I have the compressor holding it. So the spring's pretty solid, I'd say. Now all I have to do is put this on and we're ready to go. Here it is all together. I think this is the easiest way to put a coil spring in, and probably this is the safer way. I guess no way is completely safe because these springs have got a lot of pressure under them, and you don't want to be standing out in front of it when this thing explodes. That's why I don't like the method of jacking up here and then kicking it with your foot, trying to kick it into place. It just seems like there's a lot of things that could go wrong there. And if you're underneath with the ratchet strap, you're behind it. If it does for some reason happen to explode, it's going to go this way, hopefully. But your chances are 90% better behind it than they are in front of it. So hopefully you like this video. If you do, please share it and check back for more videos in the future. And if you need any Corvette parts for your C3 or C4 car, I think we even have a few C5 parts, go to www.c3stingray.com. And thanks again.